you have RGB LED, the most important thing we need, and the resistor, of course, and the second most important thing we need, resistor, two connection jumper wires or any wires you have, and the breadboard. To start with, we will pick the breadboard and I'll explain you how it works. See, this is the positive way, the upper one. This is the negative way, the down one. Now the positive is the down one on the down one, and the negative is the up one. Now I'll tell you RGB LED. So see, the RGB LED is a combination of three different colors. It is the red. Red one is here. This is blue, and this is green. Yeah, and this is the cathode, the most longest one, as you can see. So I'll just straighten it up so you can see it more clearly. Yeah. Can you see it? Yes. Now I'll take it and plug it. Let me just straighten it up like this. Yeah. Okay, the cathode is going to be, yeah, this one. So I'll insert it like this. So now I got a resistor. We will connect and the colors of this resistor is red, brown. Yeah, wait. Now let me just do it like this, and we're going to click it on the cathode. Resistor slows down current that is flowing in the circuit. Like this, we will connect the resistor. Now, what we'll do? See, okay. So we'll take a wire. We'll put it here, and then we'll do it in the negative rail. Yup. So now I'll do the green one to the positive rail. Just leave the other terminal of the wire. I'll explain you why. I'll tell you why later. Okay. See, the red one should be connected here on the positive. Okay, why it is not happening? Wait, yeah. And the negative one should be connected here. Wait, I can do it somewhere else like here. So yeah. Yep, I have done this. Now the green wire. Now let us see. See, it's glowing blue. And now it's going green. Now it's... Wait. Okay, yeah. Wait a second. Why is the red not glowing? But we saw the blue and green one. Okay, we should never do a cathode. It's going to be a short circuit. So we should never do a cathode. So I found the problem why the red one is not glowing. The resistor was touching it. So that was not glowing. As I told you, you should never do the cathode. Just be careful with the red. You can see the red is glowing. Blue, green, red. Yeah. This was enough for today. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more of our videos. So you need to like and subscribe to my channel So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.